What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty, and I'm also a mother, so I do apologize if you hear my children in advance. I have 3 boys, and I mean, they like to fuck shit up, like most boys do. So yeah. Today we have another Christmassy look. This is more like gingerbread man, candy cane vibes, if you feel me. You know, those were the themes in my head when I was doing this makeup look today. Actually, I don't often do brown looks. I really don't. I like crazy, colorful, creative looks. So when I do something like this is natural for me. Like, this is very natural. Ooh. Got that Jaclyn Hill highlighter. Bitch. I've just been recently falling in love with like all of my highlighters I've had for a while. Like, I'm like, man, I haven't used this in a while. And I'm like, bitch, why? Why haven't I used that? Like, Today, I'm just going to be doing the eyes with you guys because I did do my face makeup in my last video, and I feel like I kind of use a lot of the same products, so I feel like it'd be repetitive for me to do my makeup, well, my base makeup, you know, in every video. So it's just the eyes, but I mean, the eyes are really, really pretty, so I hope you guys enjoy, and you already know what to do. If you want to see how I created this beautiful look, then please just keep on watching. Starting off as always by priming my eyelid with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2. In with my Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette. I'm going to start by taking this dark chocolate shade right here. I don't know the name. I'm going to take this color and I'm just going to start packing it down in the shape that I want. And this is going to be pretty much the darkest shade we use. I might add a little bit of black just to deepen it, but I'm going to start off with this dark brown. So first I'm going to pack the pigment down, and then I'm going to start to buff it out. So it's not perfect, but it will do just fine. Next, I'm going to take this red shade right up here. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to first just kind of start packing it down. And then I'll start blending it up and out. Looking pretty good so far. Next, I'm gonna take this like yellowy browny shade, kind of. It's like a mustardy yellow shade. I'm gonna take this on a fluffy brush and just start buffing this out. So now I'm just going to keep going in with all of those colors until it's nice and blended like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut out my crease with some Vaseline and lay down some more of my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2, and then we could continue. Okay, so now that my crease is cut, I'm going to just take my brushes with no additional product on them to just sort of blend in this edge so it's nice and smooth. I'm going to take this shade right here, this nice cream white, and then I'm going to take a little bit of this dark brown and this kind of like I don't even know, gray. So I'm gonna start with the white, the brown, and then the gray. And then I'm gonna dip back into the dark brown and just blend it so everything is nice and it goes faded. I'm gonna take just a little bit of red as well. For my liner, I'm going to take my Hank and Henry. This is the Lip Aesthetic Liquid Lipstick in Candy Apple. So this is Candy Lover's collab. Fucking love her. So I'm going to first line it with this red lipstick, and then I'm going to go in with my Peaches and Cream Loose Pigment in Phoenix right on top. So quickly before it dries, because that bitch is thick. She's Now that the eyes are complete, I'm not 100% sure which lashes I'm going to do, but I'm going to do my face makeup. We could come back and do the lashes and do the lower lash line to complete the look. So I'll be right back. So my face makeup is done. I'm going to start with under my eyes. So I think I'm just going to start with the darkest to the lightest on the bottom. I like to keep it really simple. And my kids are still playing in here, so I apologize if I gotta yell over their noise. And then I'm just gonna go in with the lightest shade. So my lash of choice today, these are the Cavalli lashes in the style Teddy, which look like this. Very beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and apply these, and then we can come back. My lip will be on, my hair will be did, like, bitch, we're going to be looking good. So here is the completed look. I went with the same Hank and Henry lippy as I did for my liner, though it looks darker, obviously, because like the glitter. But I think it ties it together really, really well. And I also, you know, styled my hair, jewelry, all that good stuff, you know. Final touches. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. It's definitely, you know, short, sweet, and simple. But I mean, sometimes those are the best videos. Definitely, if you liked my video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe as well. Appreciate you. Yeah, and that's just about it. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and roll the clip.